problem with LSD. I think there's been a great deal of misinformation by those who seem to see no harm in it. But as a parent and as a citizen, and certainly now in this position, I am greatly concerned. There is nothing smart, there is nothing grown up or sophisticated in taking an LSD trip at all. They're just being complete fools.
So we decided to listen to Ron's advice and take the LSD out.
Okay, and I've got this LSD hanging by its nuts now with a frame. So
anyone that would engage in this or indulge in this is just incomplete fools, incomplete fools, incomplete fools.
All right, calm down, Ron. I'm taking it off.
It's quite tight because it's all hanging off. So the thread is like in a weird position. That's alright. We'll take it out. Should pop out in a minute. Oh yeah. That's the frame finally off. But this fucker is still on.
It's a long fucking bolt, so you have to either pull it out or knock it out. LSD and subframe nearly come off, but my friend's still under the car.
He really likes that. It's very special to make love to Chase.
I am worried for my friend because it's not normal.
Oh yes, finally it is out. And let's drop it on some padding. Nice. Yeah. I knew it was gonna happen. Damn. That was scary shit. Now we need to raise it up a bit again, because this is fucking dodgy. Not bad. How's it going, dudes? Is it not going on?